Hello, my name is Victor Green. I'm the Director of Community Relations for Wayne State University.
And I'm Brianna Lockhart, a coordinator for Urban Safety Program at Wayne State University.
Well, Brianna, we're really excited that we adopted this school for our Martin Luther King program, Make a Difference Day. Got projects outside, inside, so let's sit back and enjoy the rest of the program.
We wanted to paint the boards because the boards was looking all brown and ugly-ish, and we wanted to make the abandoned houses look better.
So we're making a poster so everyone can be happy and walk around the school, play around the school, and come to our school and not be scared.
We are very happy to once again partner with Wayne State University in the Make a Difference Day in the community. Not only does it provide safe passage to students, but students get an opportunity to take ownership over their communities. Over 500 students participated in painting boards that will board up vacant houses, removing debris, and making it a much better experience coming to school every day.
We are helping out in the neighborhood, cleaning up and working with the neighborhood to make it a great place for people to live and learn. And that's what Wayne State University is all about. We are in the city, give back to the city because we're about the city, because we are Wayne State.
Thank you so much, Wayne State University, AmeriCorps, and MLK sponsors for allowing our school to make a difference in the community. So we, as Carver Academy staff and students, would like to give them a round of applause.